Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We'll identify tenses in the speeches of Presiden Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono and Joko Widodo. Okay, next slide. Member of group 1, it's me, Kusumaledi Linta Beauty Azizi, NIM J0A020038. And next.
Rafif Zaki Alauddin Cahya, and my student ID number is J0A020052.
I am
And
Gitsani
next.
Handifani Putri, J0A020051. Next.
I am Monica Armelia Berliantina, NIM G0A020036. And next.
I Diva Varna Lindang, NIM J0A020041.
Apta Jingga, NIM J0A020046.
Okay, we will describe about table of contents. 1. Several types of tenses. 2. Presiden Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono speech. 3. Presiden Joko Widodo speech. 4. Analysis of tenses to speech. And the last, summary. Okay, next slide. Several types of tenses. 1. Simple present tense. General habits, current event. The formula is subject plus verb 1 or verb 2 plus object. And the example of sentence is I go to school every day. Aku pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. 2. Present continuous tense. Things that are happening at the moment. The formula is subject plus to be is plus I'm plus are plus verb ing plus object. And the example of sentence is Rani is writing a letter. Rani sedang menulis surat. 3. Simple past tense. An event that happened in the past. The formula is subject plus verb to plus object. And the example of sentence is Benny washed his car yesterday. Benny mencuci mobilnya kemarin. And the 4. Past continuous tense. An event that was happening in the past when another event occurred. The formula is subject plus to be, was or were plus verb ing plus object. And the example of sentence is Sinta was reading a novel at 5 p.m. this evening. Sinta sedang membaca novel jam 5 sore. 5. Present perfect tense. Event that have been done but the result can still be felt today. The formula is subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus object. And the example of sentence is I have eaten. Aku sudah makan. And the last 6. Present perfect continuous tense. Event that were done in the past but are still being done today. And the formula is subject plus have or has plus verb ing plus object. In the example of the sentence is my sister has been running for half an hour. Kakakku sedang berlari selama setengah jam. Okay, the next slide.
Okay. Next is President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono speech. Here, it has been analyzed to find the tenses of President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono. Tenses per sentence have been distinguished by color. Okay, next. Yeah, okay, here it has been analyzed to find the tenses of President Joko Widodo speech. tenses per sentence have been distinguished by color. Okay, next to analysis. Yes, the analysis tenses. Analysis tenses President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono speech. Number 1 is, I'm pleased to be here at the APEC CEO Summit this morning to address the leading business leaders in the Asia Pacific region. The formula is subject plus to be plus verb 3 plus object. And this include is present continuous tense. And number 2 is, we achieved much in the last 2 decades. There has been peace, stability, prosperity, and increased economic integration. And this formula is subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus object. And this include is present perfect tense. And have wrong sentences from and should. This, we have achieved a lot in the last 2 decades. There is peace, stability, prosperity, and increased economic integration. Okay, next for the explanation number 3.
Number 3, average tariff on goods have fallen from 16.9% to 5.5%, and intra-APEC rate increased more than fivefold from $1.7 trillion to close to $10 trillion. The formula is subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus object. The sentence include present perfect tense and has wrong sentence from. Should in the past, the average good tariff was from 16.9%, and now it has dropped to 5.5%. The intra-APEC tariff increase is more than a full 5 from $1.7 trillion to close to $10 trillion. Number 4, in the late 1990, the economic in the APEC region have been affected by the East Asian. The formula is subject plus verb 2 plus object. The sentence includes simple past tense. Next.
Number 5, hundreds of millions have also been left out of poverty. And this formula is subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus object, and this is present perfect tense. Wrong stage from so hundreds people of millions have also been left out of poverty. Number 6, today, Asia and Pacific region, which connect Asia and the Americas and cover both the Pacific and Indian Ocean, is fast emerging to be the strategic and economic default of the world. This formula is subject plus to be plus verb 3 plus object, and this is present continuous tense. Next.
7. We must be brick by brick. Let me suggest some thought and ideals on how to realize the Asia Pacific century. And subject plus to be plus verb 3 plus O, and present continuous tense. Wrong sentence form. So we have to brick by brick today. Let me suggest some thought and ideals on how to realize the Asia Pacific century. Analysis tenses President Joko Widodo speech. 1. I am very happy because we can talk about business, about investment with all of you. subject plus to be plus verb 3 plus O and present continuous tense. Next.
Two, our national budget on 2015 is 167 billion and for full subsidy is 27 billion. Subject plus to be plus verb in plus object and this is plus continuous tense. Wrong sentence from Schultz. Our national budget in 2015 was 167 billion and for full subsidies is 27 billion. 3. Today, I'm happy. I'm very happy to be among with you because you know I was a businessman years ago. So this morning, subject plus to be plus verb 3 plus object and this is present continuous tense. Number 4, we have a population 240 million and the distance is like from London in UK to Istanbul in Turkey. Subject plus have or has plus verb 3 object and this is present perfect tense. Next.
Okay, next, this is summary. In the President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono speech, there are 3 tenses. Number 1 is there are 3 tenses, present continuous tense. Number 2 is there are 3 tenses, present perfect tense. And number 3, 1 sentence, simple present, simple past tense. And for this speech, there are 3 sentence error, namely 3 sentence of present perfect tense and 1 sentence of present continuous tense. And next, in President Joko Widodo's speech, there are 3 tenses. Number 1 is there are 2 sentence present continuous tense, and number 2, there is 1 sentence of past continuous tense, and 1 is sentence present perfect tense. For this speech, there is 1 sentence error, namely the past continuous tense.
Okay, that's all from us. If there are words that are less pleasing, we apologize. Thank you and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.